What's up, guys, and welcome back to Equip Entertainment. So, as you all know by now, the EFF, or maybe it's Julius Malema, who has banned Mboiseni Ndlozi from the elective conference that is going to happen in December. Mboiseni himself, he has shown his love for the EFF on social media and every time that he speaks. But all of that is just not enough to convince most of the fighters out there that he is with them. EFF MP Sixolisile is not happy with some EFF members out there who post those kind of posts, like the one that was posted by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, where they posted their affirmations and mild declarations, even though they know that they are not with the EFF themselves. It's just to play them so that ultimately when they leave, they are seen as victims because they will have given an impression that they were loyal and loved the EFF, but in fact they were actually pushed out. So these are some of the dots some people are actually trying to connect out there and say, no, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is playing a game where he's trying to portray himself as an EFF member. Then when he's finally expelled or finally leaves, he would say, oh, I was actually pushed out. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is definitely under attack from loyal EFF fighters, and some MK members are trying to recruit him to go to MK. I've also seen some posts where they were saying, come to ANC, doctor. The answers were definitely going to get them in December when the EFF hold their elective congress. If Mbuyiseni Ndlozi does not attend that National People's Assembly, you will definitely know that he is definitely not wanted at the EFF anymore, and he is just sticking around just by himself.